Why is cough syrup thick? I'm sorry. What I mean is thick. Have anyone ever wondered why is the texture of cough syrup thicker than other kinds of liquid like water or milk? Let's figure it out today.
What medicine did I use whenever I cough nonstop? I drink cough syrup, regardless of the cure of ingredients. The cough syrup enhance texture and help coat the throat, which can soothe irritation. This is because of a high viscosity of the syrup. Viscosity is the resistance of the flow of the liquid. Higher viscosity, thicker the liquid. Normally when we drink water there's a really thin layer or nothing adhere to the wall of the surface, especially in esophagus. However, when we swallow cough syrup, a large amount of syrup adhere on the esophagus inner wall to form a coat covering the area.
Let's dive in the mechanism of how this works. Viscosity have a strong relationship with shear stress. Shear stress is the force applied parallel to a surface divided by the area over which it acts. Shear stress as unit is Newton over meter squared. Formula equals viscosity times the velocity gradient. When dealing with high viscosity, like in thick liquids, think honey or syrup, the shear stress is influenced by how much force is needed to get those liquids to flow in viscosity. In high viscosity materials, even a small amount of shear stress can create a significant resistance to flow. So, if you apply force to a thick liquid, it doesn't slide easily, it takes more effort to get it moving. This is why understanding shear stress is important in fields like engineering and fluid dynamics, as it helps predict how materials will behave under different forces. In conclusion, if other factors like gradient velocity stay the same, higher viscosity can lead to higher shear stress. To reach a higher shear stress, people use cough syrup instead of water, as cough syrup has a higher viscosity at 0.94 poise. And water s only 0.01 poise. This explains for the reasons why the cough syrup mostly used by population to prevent non-stop coughing and throat irritation.